Hello, this is our recipe for today. Fritters. Ingredients: half pound of costeño cheese, 2 cups of maíz flour, half cups of milk, half a spoon sugar, 1 egg, a pinch of baking powder. Preparation of fritters.
You must make sure that your face are clean and dry.
First, scratch the cheese. Next, mix the cheese with the flour. After that, you must beat the egg. Add to the mix. You must add the sugar and the pinch of baking powder. We can mix the ingredients. You must add the milk slowly and mix. You must knead until the dough is consistent. You can let it rest 12 minutes. With the help of my mom, we need hot oil. Go! You can make the shapes you want. The oil is hot at the fritters. Now we can eat. It's delicious. Follow me for more recipes.